Hello guys, it's Ayush over here, and my last review was on 12th of Feb, and it is 28th Feb right now. So it's been almost a week since my last review. So what have I done this week? So since my last video, I think I have actually focused on what are the things required for getting marks, which I have mentioned in my video before. So now I'll be focusing on something original idea. I mean, that is not really related to the company's benefit, but actually the company could provide me their information, I mean, their knowledge and experience, which I would help to write my report or to do the project which I'm taking up. So basically, I have decided to design a truss system, industrial shed, which includes the whole truss system as also as eaves and the RCC part, which is below the eaves. So I've decided to do that now, and for that I need to, rigorously design the whole industrial shed. Each and every part of the industrial shed, and and as for my past experience, even in college, I haven't really designed the whole industrial shed as a whole. I mean, concerning about each and every detail which is required when you go for like in professional business. So that is like a new thing for me, and to be honest, I'm doing it all manually. So I haven't really done the manual calculation for this before. So this is the first time I'm doing the manual calculation, and while doing the manual calculation, I have to be precise uh, and also, accurate. There shouldn't be any errors or mistakes in it, because even a small bit of mistake could, you know, collapse a whole industrial shed. So that's why you have to take it. I'm taking it as if I'm doing this for a client, so that even I get an idea about how hard it is. To satisfy the client and to do your design in, and also fit in the economical factors. So I'm taking into consideration the economical factors as well. So, talking about that, the industrial shed, I have actually designed industrial shed using the book N. Subramanian. It has a great example. The example is about 7 to 8 pages, not more than that, but 7 to 8 pages of Subramanian is like 20 pages if we do it. So it's a long example, and I took my time to understand, and which I didn't understand. Obviously, the people working at the company helped me understand, and they really supported me for the project. So that's why I've been focused on designing the industrial shed. And till now, I've done the manual calculation as per the book, and also referred a paper which included design of the plates and the connections used in industrial sheds, what type of connections they use. So leaving that, as me and my colleague also took up an task, which was uh, which was at the company. The company was supposed to design a gantry girder, and listening to gantry girder, we really thought that, oh wow, gantry girder, we have learned this. We have learned about gantry girder in our college. So why shouldn't we do it? Let's give it a shot, because it would create a good impression on the company. Our HOD, as well as it would add up to our knowledge, and also you know, we could tell our faculty that we did this category design. So add up to our marks as well. And so that gantry girder design was all. We had all the parameters given to us, and that project is in India. Yes, don't be shocked. It's an Indian project, and it is actually located in Baroda itself in Makapura region. So that gantry gutter is to be designed, and there was already design made by the people working there, but we tried to do it manually. So with the manual calculations and all, but there was a challenge. A big challenge for this gantry girder. The challenge was what, like, uh, the load of grain is a lot, and the economy, I mean, the budget of the company, I mean, our client, is way less than what we have designed. So we have like given heavy members. I mean, the beam and the column are heavy members, which would even add up to like deflection, the bending moment, and all. But majorly, it would add up money to the project. So the cost of project would increase significantly. So that design was denied by the company because it was out of the budget. So we decided to do something innovative. I mean, our HOD said that we should think of something innovative, come up with something innovative. So we tried to reduce the weight as well as the economy. And at last, we were able to get from 296 kg per meter to 178 kg per meter. But still, 178 kg per meter was economically not uh, capable by the company. I mean, it wasn't, I would say, accepted by the company, taking into consideration the economical factors. So, what now we learned is that we could use a truss system for design of gantry girder. Even I was shocked because I have seen gantry girders which were in a college as well as what we could see while googling it. And as a senior, a senior person, our senior who's working over in structural, he said that he has designed one before, a truss system for the gantry girder, and he told us that okay, this is how it should be done. But it sounded easy, but when you come to the design part, and that too manually, it gets a lot hard, because for manual calculation you have to refer like 2 to 3 books if you don't know about it. And if you know about it, then you still need to refer the books because you need to make sure that whatever you know is correct. I mean, there are various formulas, and as per different books, there are like a variety of methods with or approaches, I would say, which could be used. So that is one, the concern which we had. So we tried to do the design, but I think, we lacked determination of the section modulus, the moment of inertia and all for the truss system. And that's when I think I asked my HOD that we are stuck over here. And he said that, you have done a good part. I mean, all the calculations which you have done is very good. But, if for that, even he recommended that you should use some software like StatPro. So till now, I haven't really got any hands-on experience on StatPro software, even though I've worked on Tekla and AutoCAD before, but didn't get much. I would say like even 5% experience on StatPro, because the license of StatPro is costly, and I mean, you got to, you know, use like verified license version. So that's why I haven't used it. So that was all which I've done this week. And I don't think I am forgetting something, but still, that was it. And for the next week, I have great plans, which I'll tell you later on. I think I am able to keep up with my plans because that would really keep me on track. But that's just a hope we all have. And let's just do it. Thank you. Bye bye.